Hello everybody, today we are doing a documentary. Not on Dot because Dot's a bit scared of me. Well, Sarah, she went right, and now Dot thinks I'm going to take her as well. She's a bit scared of me, but she'll get used to me again eventually. So it's going to be a montage of Shadow. But Shadow is the most passive chicken I know. He'll walk up to me. He'll whatever he wants of me. So, see, look at Shadow. Shadow's the most unscared chicken in the world. Some of us think he's just maybe not the smartest of chickens in the world. Dot's a genius. So is Jester. Jester's actually the smartest. I mean, the noisiest. Even noisier than what Rooster was. Okay. Shadow eats all the tiny antsy things. Oh, Shadow, you shouldn't be eating the eggs because then we grow up. Oh no, you'll be fine because I have stuff. Well, it's not really a documentary. It's me doing what chickens do. You wanna know what you're doing, Shadow? Right now we're just in the little jungle thing. We let in here grow fine and free. We have my seat we are set on to watch more chickens. So chickens love it in here. They just let grow and grow. Chickens half the time and when I don't know where we are, we have a chance to go. Hopefully dogs don't eat them. I go in and they all hidden under this bush and all in there, out back behind there, all around there. So yeah, don't mind the car noises. You just have some of the most noisiest neighbours you could ever possibly want if you want noisy neighbours. Also, we have mechanics in the background. Yes, mechanics over this, here, and there. All behind us. It's big mechanics of our town. Oh, if you're wondering where I don't live in the country. No. I don't. Hello. Wait, no, I'm actually just telling you about stuff. We feed these chickens mealworms. So when I pick them up, I've given some mealworms, but they only get mealworms if they pick them up. But not some extra today because she felt sad and she was slightly scared me. So I was like, "Hey, have some mealworms." So she had mealworms. It's Shadow and just got seeds or wheat. Ain't it right? Yeah. I'll get rid of it. Yeah, don't want that. I've had before. No, shit. I got dirt on my iPad. And yay! Dot came. Good job. Good job. No, good job. So, and let's go here. No. Donnie. I bet you. Oh, no! Oh, you seem so close. Okay. We try to keep these sides on so we don't get stuff going everywhere. But it doesn't really happen. So let's put this side on. Now, don't think chickens are dumb. Every chicken has their own personality. Proof? This chicken always follows me and does everything I do. He's like my best friend. Dot looks after all these chickens as an alpha leader. Also does stuff with me, but most of the time just likes to do it. And just runs around like a headless chicken, running away from me because he's too scared to get close to me. Sometimes they like peck my fingers. Like, I just got picked. I got picked. I'm getting picked. Yeah. Savey. So, yeah, that's about it for the video. Bye. Bye. Bye, 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 bye. Bye. Now, I need to say goodbye to Chester. Well, goodbye, everyone.